For this tutorial you will need a Windows 10 PC and a strong internet connection. Download these two links in description. Here download both and install them, x86 and x64. You will also need to download this application. Open the file with Winner and select Downloads and extract it to your Downloads folder and rename it. Now open your XboxKeyboardMouse app. Select Stream on your XboxKeyboardMouse app when in a game in your XboxOne console. Now open the XboxKeyboardMouse. In here you can remap the keyboard and mouse speed. Your controller must be connected to your PC. After done with the keyboard, select as active in the file setting.